We are Norway's biggest wastewater company, cleaning wastewater for 740,000 people, person equivalent, more or less cleaning wastewater for 15% of Norway's population. Part of the Oslofjord wasn't really nice. You shouldn't swim in the Oslofjord in part of it. The government decided that something has to be done, and therefore they started VEAS. In '95 we got new rules from the government that we had to remove nitrogen also. Before we only removed phosphorus and organic matter. To be able to remove nitrogen we need oxygen. So it's really important for VEAS to have these compressors. So give us oxygen, because we need it all hours, all the year round. VEAS has working together with Howden for 25 years. When we started there was H3 Turbo from Helsingør, but now it's part of the Howden group. And we have an excellent cooperation with Howden. We could call them anytime we had a problem, and they solved it almost immediately every time. So it's a very good relationship with Howden. We are in the starting of the uptime development, but absolutely this is something we are positive to recommend. The main benefit right now is to have predictive maintenance. Also we want to see cost savings for energy costs, the main part what we're going to study now this year. We should have more predictive maintenance when needed, not as we do today by a calendar that we have service every year, for example. Also see that we could get quicker help when we had any problem. The people in Helsingør could see on the uptime and help us solve the problem. What excites me most is that we could go out to the compressor and look and have documentation. We could see all the data we have. If some bearings are high temperature, we can look that on the telephone instead of go up to the control room and see if we could see any alarms. We could see it directly on the compressor. That's good. We have an excellent cooperation together with the Helsingør R&D and engineering environment. Almost weekly call with Skuli, for example, and discuss. He presents some new parts of uptime and we discuss it, and I could say what I like and don't like. So we had a really good relationship with them.